When people need power, we step up. We are ExpertPower. Headquartered in Paramount, California, we sell a wide range of batteries, from lead acid to lithium ion, as well as inverter chargers, solar panels, and much more. Our long and difficult journey began in 1987, when we were founded as a small vendor of computer parts, but the market was fierce and quickly being swallowed by larger competitors. By 2003, it was time to change direction. At first, we sold only the component batteries for laptops, but soon, we pivoted to sell a wider range of lead-acid batteries. We kept fighting until finally hitting our stride by 2019, when the growing demand for lithium-ion power systems put us in an opportune position to capitalize and tap the new market. It's 2023 now, and the number of factories we have producing products has expanded to 3 locations with over 2,000 workers. Our stock is sold across the globe. Yet what we truly attribute to our success above all has been our commitment to our customers. Professionals, thrill seekers, off-grid adventurers, and all people from all walks of life. We are dedicated to providing you the best quality goods. Let us power your world at ExpertPower.